Oh my gosh, guys, what's up? Edison here, and if you've been following Pixelmon at all, dude, this is the update you were waiting for. Look at this, 3.0. It has been talked about, it has been amped up, excited. Everyone has been so jazzed, getting ready for Pixelmon 3.0, and it's finally here. It is finally here. But before you can play Pixelmon 3.0, you gotta know how to install it. So I had a couple people actually ask me, hey, how do you get this mod going? I'm having some trouble with it. So I thought, since I need to update to 3.0 to continue my series, because the Pixel League server is doing 3.0, woohoo! I'm just so excited about 3.0, I keep saying it over and over again. But since I need to go through and update it anyway, I might as well show you guys how to do it. So let's do it. First of all, you need, on your computer, computing along, you need to go to your browser, which I hope is Google Chrome. If it's not, then we can't be friends anymore. And you're going to want to go to Pixelmon mod. See, it's already filling up there. .com. You could do /blog if you want, or it'll take you there. If you just do pixelmonmod.com. See, it went to blog. Bam! Here we go. Front page. Right now, you can see the download links right here, but that's just because this is the blog, and then, you know, this is the big news. So let's just assume that's not there. You can get to the download over here in the downloads spot. Now, unfortunately, if you've never done mods in games before, this might be a little bit confusing, so it'll be helpful having a walkthrough. Here's what you need to do. Before you go ahead and download Pixelmon, you need to get the Minecraft Forge 1.6.4. That matches the version of Minecraft that the Forge works on. Which means it's not going to be running on the most up-to-date version of Minecraft, which I think is, like 1.7 something. Anyways, but Forge is something that uses, that helps mods run better. It helps them use more code that they otherwise couldn't have, and something like that. I don't know, I'm not a modder. But I know you need Minecraft Forge. So right here on your downloads page, it has the link to the Minecraft Forge. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's going to be an ad fly thing. You're going to see this thing in the center here. That's not your download link. That's just an ad. Up here you see ad fly. The wave here. Now you can skip ad. That's what you want to do. Don't click on that stuff. Here we go. Okay. This type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep it? Yeah, why not? Do be careful when you're downloading stuff. This is from the source. It should be safe, so I wouldn't worry about it. But point is, you want to get it, okay? Cool. So let's go ahead. Wait, I need this. Show it in the folder. And let's actually just dump that onto my desktop so I can work with it here. Okay, forge.jar. Cool. So in case, just on the off chance, if you are at all worried, go ahead and scan it. I use Microsoft I can't talk. Microsoft Security Essentials as an antivirus. I just make it a habit of any time I download anything that's at all questionable, I just scan it quick, just to make sure. I don't really run into a lot of problems, but it's a good habit to make. So if you want, go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have Minecraft Forge. Now there's one more thing that you're going to want to do to make sure that everything runs smoothly, and that's you actually want to clear out your Minecraft files, your Minecraft folder. How do you do that? Well, go over here. If you're using Windows 7, which is what I have, you go down here to this little guy, the window thing, and search. And I'm going to do run, because I want to run a program. If you're not using Windows 7, most any Windows thing, it's a similar process. And if you're on Mac, I don't really know what the process is on Mac, so unfortunately I can't help you there. Sorry, this is for Windows tutorial. Anyways, you're going to want to open, and there's a couple ways you can get to this spot. This is the way I find is the easiest. Open, and you see it's already in there. %appdata% /.minecraft. That sounds complicated, but it's not. Just look at my screen. Copy it from there. Okay. You can either click OK, press Enter, whatever floats your boat. Bam. this is where all the cool stuff is in Minecraft. And you see, I already have a Forge loader installed because I was playing Pixelmon before. I'm going to uninstall all that and start fresh so I can show you. So this is where all your stuff is in Minecraft. Now, we are going to delete this and re-download all of the Minecraft stuff. So please, 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 if you have a world in Minecraft you want to save, you want to back it up right now before we move any further. So, saves. If you go to that run app data Minecraft, that's what's going to bring us here. You're going to find, these saves file. Go away. In here is going to have any of your stuffs. I have my Pokemon server. I don't know if I need that or not. I better save that just in case. If you open this up, you'll have a folder for each of your worlds. Okay? That's important. And I'm going to pretend that this is what I need. If you want to make sure you don't lose these, just either copy, paste, or click and drag it onto your desktop. You can make a folder for backup saves. Whenever you do any kind of modding stuff, it's really important to back up your save files. So that's where you do that. Go into saves, find your worlds. They'll all be like a folder. Just copy the folder. It has all the info for your save. Done. Cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back up. You see up here, this little taskbar, that's where we are. We're going to want to go one back to roaming. You'll see the little dot there. You can also usually, if there's like an up arrow anywhere, that works sometimes too. So, this is our Minecraft folder. And if you don't see this, I should probably mention this. If you don't see your Minecraft folder here, you're going to want to right-click, I think it's right-click, Properties, and we're going to want to make sure that you can view. You want to be able, yeah, here we go. That's what we want to do. Right-click on somewhere not on anything, just your browser thing, your file browser. Properties. That's actually not what I wanted to do. I can never find this. Okay, so just in case you don't see your .minecraft folder here in the app data roaming, which is possible, that's kind of like a hidden folder. If you don't see that, and you have Windows 7, this is how you do it in Windows 7. You'll probably find a similar process in any version of Windows. Go to Organize, and what was it? Folder and search options. That's what you're going to be looking for. And we want to do View, and you see this intimidating list of options and check marks. Hidden files and folders. I have mine set to Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. For a lot of people, if you've never done this before, this might by default be set to Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, or Drives. See if we do that. I guess right now it will still show it, but that could be an issue. So if you're not seeing it, go in here, set that to Show. That's what we want to see. Cool. Now this Minecraft folder, we're doing a big step here. We're going to press the big delete button. Don't worry, this is not going to delete your Minecraft for real. We're gonna reinstall it all. You sure want to do this? Yes, I'm sure. Goodbye, Minecraft. Au revoir. Alright. Now what's gonna happen is we're gonna load up Minecraft.exe. This is our launcher. Okay? They didn't delete the launcher. That's still there. Doing its loading thing. Da 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 da. Okay. Cool. So you're going to have to re-enter your username and password and all that stuff. It's just the nature of the beast, sorry. Okay, so here we are, back in our Minecraft launcher. Probably all familiar with that. Before we go ahead and do Forge, though, there is another step we're going to want to do, and that's where you actually need to load up the game with the right version of Minecraft. That's going to reinstall all of that data we just deleted. But here's the kicker. We don't want 1.7.3 or 1.7.4. We need what the Forge version is for, which if you see, Forge 1.6.4. That's the version of Minecraft you need to use Forge, and hence use Pixelmon. How do you do that? How do you get the right stuff set up? Go down here, below your name to edit profile. There's an option, what version of Minecraft to use. If you use the latest version, that's like the default. It'll use the most up-to-date version. But we don't want that. We want, click this drop-down, 1.6.4. Because that's what our Forge copy is. And that's, at the moment, that is the most up-to-date, stable release of Minecraft Forge. Save profile. Cool. Now you see down here, ready to download and play Minecraft 1.6.4. Awesome. Let's hit play. It's going to take a while. See, it's going to download and all that good stuff. Sometimes this takes a while. Sometimes it's pretty quick. Just depends on your internet connection, your computer, all that jazz. Alright, so I went ahead and skipped over all of the download time. It did take me a couple minutes, so if it's not instant like it is in the video for you, don't get self-conscious. You don't necessarily have a terrible computer. I just didn't show it on the video because that's boring. But you see, check it out. Minecraft. Absolutely no memes. Here we go. Single player, multiplayer, all that good stuff. And up here is, you see up here and down here, it's 1.6.4. That is what we need. We're not going to play yet, though, because we need Pixelmon. We need Pixelmon 3.0, man. So we're going to go ahead and close the game. Now we're going to open up Forge. Now is the time for Forge. So let's double-click this jar file. We're going to do install client. Because if you're doing a server, that's one thing. But we're not doing a server. We're just going to learn how to do it on your own client. So if you want to play Pixelmon, you can play Pixelmon. Download all the libraries, all that good stuff. Again, takes a couple of minutes. Not too bad, though. This is the part that sometimes confuses people who have never done modding before. Awesome! Successfully installed! Okay, so now that that has done its thing, next we're going to want to go up and load up Minecraft again. Kind of backwards, right? Seems like we just did this. So there's a little bit of back and forth here. It can be kind of confusing, but that's what I'm here for. Help you out. Check it out. Down in your profile, down here in the bottom left corner, you see your name, which is hopefully not my name. Click it. It's a drop-down. There's now also Forge. Well, that's interesting. I don't remember that. Click it. Bam. Now, to do this, again, you're going to have to punch in your username and password again. But just trust me, it's going to be worth it. Okay. Log in. Bam. Now we're playing on Forge. Kind of neat. Now what this is going to do, we're going to hit play again. And it's going to take a few moments to download stuff, or not. Never mind. It's not going to take any time to download stuff, I guess. But what this is going to do is now it's going to set up all of the things for Forge, which allows you to get mods running, which is very, very cool. Very important. Aha! Check it out. Little different now. Now we're 100% pure. We have our single player, multiplayer, also mods. What's this? This stuff just comes with it. Important stuff. Not really for you, but important to know. And see all this stuff, this random added things. 3 mods loaded, 3 mods active. Awesome. That's what we want to have. That's very, very good. So, now what? How do we get Pixelmon going here? Now we can quit out of this. And we need to go back here to pixelmonmod.com, to the downloads page. Now we're going to actually get Pixelmon. Now we have Forge up and running. Gotta get Pixelmon. So let's try, there's a couple different mirrors that, they're just different places you can download the file you need. They should all be the same. Just in case one's down, there's another option for you. All that stuff. Again, don't click this stuff. It will look like a download link, but up here is what you're waiting for. This is the actual thing you need. So, don't get flamboozled. And usually, too, they'll open this. This is not actually real. Close that. Yes, you want to leave this page. It's a little annoying, but that's the price you pay for really awesome free mods like this, so don't worry about it. Okay, Pixelmon 3.0.1. Ooh, interesting. Download. That's what we want to click. Try to ignore all the rest of this stuff. Click. Downloading it. Awesome. So now we are getting, I'm going to close that out because I don't want to look at all that stuff. Now we are downloading right now Pixelmon 3.0.1, I guess. Awesome. Cool stuff. Looking forward to it. I'm going to skip ahead while this finishes downloading because that could take a couple minutes, and that's just boring. Oh my gosh, yes, it's done downloading. So, if you're using Chrome, this is how you easily get to where it went to. It should just go to your downloads folder, unless you specified something else. If you're using Chrome, super easy. Click on this little guy, that arrow, show in folder. Bam. Opens your download folder with that file highlighted. What is this? What is this? Go away. That's just something from the download place. Try to ignore it as best you can. Only click on the one thing that I showed you, where the Pixelmon.zip thing. So bam, here we go. This is the zip file of Pixelmon 3.0.1. That's what we're going to need. So do you remember that Minecraft stuff where we backed up your saves? Pull that up now. So do this, run. %, app data, %, \, You can get there other ways, but this is the way you want to go. Bam, so we're back here. This is a good time if you want to put your save file back in. Go to saves, which is nothing because we deleted all of this and it's fresh. Until you got it running and you're sure that everything is working great, don't just click and drag this in there, because that's going to move it there. And if something gets screwed up, you might lose your save. So instead, we're just going to copy and paste it. So in case something's wrong, yay, copy paste. In case something goes wrong, goes terribly awry, you still have your saves. They're not going to get messed up. You want to make sure everything is running before you lose your backups. So that's good. Cool. So saves are taken care of. Now, what's this? A mods folder? That wasn't there before. Well, okay, technically it was because I had my Minecraft stuff before, but chances are for you, there wasn't a mods folder before. It's empty right now. All you gotta do, once Minecraft Forge is loaded up, like I showed you, all you have to do is click and drag the mod, the zip file. Click and drag the whole zip, you don't have to unzip it or anything like that, into your mods folder in appdata roaming.minecraft. That's all you have to do. Then you're set. So once you get Forge running, it's easy, super easy. Done. It's loaded up. Now the one other catch that you're going to want to pay attention to is when you play the game, if you want to play with mods running, make sure that your profile is set to Forge, not your name. It's still tied to your account, because remember you had to log back in on Forge, whatever. But using that profile means that it will make all those mods active. It should then too, if you don't want to play with mods, you just want to turn them off for a moment, I'm pretty sure if you just go back to your name, then it will deactivate the mods for that one go. So if you just want to go back and forth to vanilla, that works. But for now, we want Forge. So make sure that's on Forge. Everything's running. Should be good. Awesome. Let's play. Shouldn't be the same super long loading time. I hope not, at least. Because everything should be downloaded now. Now it's just a matter of getting in there and playing. Oh boy, I'm so excited. This is my first go. You guys are literally here as I'm first taking a look at Pixelmon 3.0.1. And right when I'm done with this, I'm going to start recording on the Pixel League server, my video series. So, oh man, here we go. Mods, let's check it out. Pixelmon, there it is! There it is! It's in the mod list! It should be here. Later, I'm going to try and connect to my server, which I got to punch the information back for. For now, let's just see if it loads up. Create new world. We will name it OMG Pixelmon. Yes. We don't really need any of this stuff. We're not concerned. I'm not going to really play on this right now. Let's just make sure it works. So if you're going to start this, get your stuff set up, create world. Here we go. Let's see if everything is going right. It should be working, and we should see some really cool Pixelmon 3.0. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is a fan-made mod. Alright, so far, so good. Here we go. Clickety-click. Ooh, I already see more starters. That's nice. There's Chimchar and Tepig, and I don't think Oshawott was there before. Or Snivy. So a lot of new choices here. I'm still just going to do Cyndaquil. I love my Cyndaquil. Alright, it looks like we're running. Oh my gosh. I'm running kind of slow, but that's just because it's rendering the world. Oh man. So here we are. Let's try this. Go Cyndaquil. Oh man. Here we go. That's it. We've got it. Pixelmon 3.0. Now I think Cyndaquil's whole thing is pretty much the same as it was before. I don't think Cyndaquil has changed much. But a lot of Pokemon have. Where are you going? And that's what matters, is we are now running the brand new Pixelmon 3.0. And this is how you can do it too. So just follow the instructions of this video and you can be playing. And now, if you excuse me, I have got to go do some playing on this. I'm going to do some recording, jump onto the Pixel League server, and I'll show you guys on there. But this is awesome. We are all set and ready to go, and hopefully you will be playing too. All right. Whoa!
It's so cute.
Aw, look at that. It's a Cyndaquil.
I have a Mudkip here, but how do I...
Press R.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Looks like Paris has a Charizard there.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
I can't handle a Charizard. I can't handle Charizard, man. Alright, so woo!
Man, this is crazy.